Hey everyone, Chris Johnson is no longer a Tennessee Titan. This is Chris's Twitter account, and I want you to see something because the news took him by surprise. How do I know this? Because right here, Mr. Johnson says that he is truly expecting to be signed by the Titans in this tweet. Let me expand that so you can take a look at the details. And there we are. I'm already signed to the Titans. Laugh out loud. Retweet. Do you think a team will sign you or nah? And well, let's see here. See some of the responses to that tweet. So I couldn't tell. And then they're all retweeting his tweet. And one person says, I thought you got released there. So this news took Chris Johnson, the NFL's leading rusher over the past 6 years, by surprise. And the question is, where will he go and for how much? Chris Johnson is the NFL's leading rusher with 6 touchdown runs over 60 yards over the past 5 years. And he's also a member of the 2,000-yard club. But the Titans no longer see him as the kind of running back worth what he wants. Let's see what happens to CJ2K.